Hi, hello, I'm Abdul Ravat. I'm currently the Vice-Chair of MHA Housing Association, and I've been a board member with MHA for about 4 years now, and it's been a very interesting last 4 years to say the least. So I want to talk briefly about why BAME Housing Associations are important in terms of the fabric of the social housing sector. At one stage there used to be about 80 or so independent BAME Housing Associations. Unfortunately today we're down to around 40 to 45 independent housing organisations that are there particularly to meet the needs of Black, Asian and minority ethnic communities. They were a response to the growing housing need and challenges that were emerging in the sort of 60s and 70s and 80s in these countries, and the lack of response that local authorities and other providers in the main were failing to capture. So the Housing Corporation at that time, the government agency responsible for new housing, embarked on a strategy that would develop and nurture new organisations that were very much specifically needed in those localities where the majority of BAME housing associations were in existence. So we had a flurry of new registrations, and with it they started to develop homes, manage homes and give employment and choices for people who otherwise didn't have any choice in terms of their housing circumstances. So MHA Housing Association was the first BAME housing association in the north of England. It now has over 1,400 homes in management and ownership, and it's there primarily to deliver housing solutions for the South Asian community, many of whom were in deep overcrowding issues at the time when it started. Pleased to say that even after 30 years, MHA is still functioning and is still necessary with terms of demand for its properties. We're hoping to do more of these snippets of information about MHA and its services. In the meantime, if you need any more information about us, then please go on our website, which is maninghamhousing.co.uk, and I'm happy to talk and take any questions that you have from there. Thank you.